So example 2 just throws in radicals to mess with us a little bit. And if you remember from a previous study, a radical would be expressed as an exponent that is a fraction, and the root would be the denominator. So I could rewrite this as 2 to the power of x equals 4 times 2 to the power of a half, because this is a square root. This one would be root 3 to the power of x minus 1 equals 9 to the power of a third. And then you just continue as usual. So I'm going to have, these need to all be the same bases. So 2 to the power of x equals 2 squared times 2 to the power of a half. And now when you have two bases that are multiplied, you add the exponents. So 2 to the power of x equals 2 to the power of 2 and a half, or 2.5. Since the bases are the same, x equals 2.5. So we're done with that one. Over here, I have root 3. So I would actually have had to change this one to 3 to the power of 1/2 there. And now all of the radicals are gone. I missed that. And then I want to change this one to a 3 as well, so that I can just keep that. I'm just changing it so that this is 1/2 to the power of x minus 1, or times, whatever. See what I did? It's all good. This would be 3 squared to the power of 1/3. So the reason I'm putting the brackets in like this is because it's the same as if I did that when I'm going to be multiplying these guys. So now I can get rid of the bases, and I have 1/2 times x minus 1 is equal to 2 times 1/3, or 2 over 3. So I could multiply through the brackets here, or I could change it over to the other side. It's really all the same. I might even want to just write x minus 1 divided by 2 equals 2 over 3. So then I can just multiply this on that side, and it's going to get rid of that and make that 4 over 3. So I might be running out of room here, so I'm going to just write it here. I have x minus 1 left on one side equals 4 over 3 on the other side. So then 1's just going to go over as a plus 1, and I have to add x equals 4 over 3 plus 3 over 3. There's the 1 because it has to be a fraction with a denominator of 3 to add to the 4/3, but it's just a 1. So that would be 7/3. So x would equal 7/3 here. So you can see with these ones, you just change the radical into an exponent that's a fraction and carry on as usual.